5.2. Good morning. As you may remember, the last lecture focused on issues of climate change, its causes and effects. Today I want to explain some alternative solutions that may help reduce some of the problems related to climate change. The first solution uses solar energy to grow food in the desert. That's right, growing fruit and vegetables in the desert is now possible, and the first desert farms have been built in Australia. First of all, I will explain how farming in the desert works. Then we will briefly discuss how this type of farming could solve some of the environmental problems we are now facing. And finally, we will discuss some possible problems of this system. So, how does it work? As we all know, in order to grow plants, we need water and sunlight. While we have a lot of sunlight in the desert, we have very little water. Scientists have decided to combine the modern technology of solar energy with a farming technology called hydroponics. Hydroponics means growing plants in water. In the 1700s, scientists observed that plants don't need to grow in the ground. What we need are nutrients or chemicals that help plants grow. Nutrients are like food for the plants. Therefore, if you add the nutrients to water, you can grow your fruit and vegetables in water. NASA scientists have been developing this method of growing food because it could allow us to grow food in any climate, in Antarctica, the Sahara Desert, or even on Mars. You might ask how this method of growing plants helps with the problem of global warming. I mean, after all, it uses fresh water, which is a limited resource on our planet. An Australian company, Sundrop Farm System, combines hydroponics with solar energy. Traditional farming uses between 60 and 80% of our planet's fresh water. However, Sundrop Farms doesn't use fresh water. They use seawater. Sundrop Farms are only 100 metres from the seashore. A line of mirrors reflects heat from the sun onto a pipe which has oil inside. The hot oil in the pipe heats up seawater which is inside special containers. When the seawater reaches 160 degrees centigrade, the steam from this process provides electricity. Some of the hot water is used to heat the greenhouse during the cold desert nights. The rest of the heat